Uh, I wasn't sure if I was going to even drop a video today. I haven't been well. So if you've noticed that I didn't drop one last week either, it's been real. It's been real in India. Um, it's not India's fault though. It's just, I think, my own fault. But I'm feeling way better today. You know, sometimes it's easy to feel guilty that you haven't been trading or doing anything. And sometimes there's valid reasons for that. You know, I know I wasn't hard on myself for the last week. Um, I literally opened my laptop today. So I was able to do my weekly forecast and pick my top three for the week, So things happen in life. There's ups and downs. And sometimes you have to take a short sabbatical. So the question is, how do you feel when you are unable to trade for whatever reason? It could even be schooling, or things are getting a bit more hectic at work, some family engagements. It's okay to take a break if there's a valid reason for it and not feel guilty for it. So, but here we go. It's my top three. Just looking at the daily, if I look at this type of formation here, it doesn't give me a lot of confidence that we will come down. This almost looks like a morning star type formation that will take us up in a way. But if I look at this formation here, and we see that this looked pretty good to the upside, it tapped into this area here. So if this bigger formation didn't take us all the way up there after tagging this, and it kind of went down a little bit, there's a possibility that even here price might just exhaust a bit more, and then we see ourselves coming into these areas before anything else. And if we look at the higher time frame as well, we've got the 1 2 3, we've tapped into that area, first continuation, and then now maybe we're creating a larger continuation which can take us to around these areas. Okay, forming a nice little head and shoulders type formation. So we could even tag into this 1 2 3 type formation. So what I'll be looking for there is, if we just take it to the 1 hour, I just want to see confirmation from price. That's all I want. I just want price to show me that it's coming down with some impulsivity. Something similar to this. If we can get something similar to this. Let me grab this real quick. Let me just grab it. Yeah, right here. We get something similar to this. Could be there. Could be there. That tells me that, okay, price is giving me some kind of a signal. So I'd be looking for something like that there. Or from the Blu-ray line over here. Looking for something similar as well. So if I can get some kind of a push down in this area over here, nice little push down and a continuation, I'll then be looking for entries on this one. We can just push something like this. I'll be taking that on the 5 minute. Happily so. So this is looking really good. Definitely one of my top 3 for the week. One thing I like about this is we do have this structure right here at the bottom. And yes, we didn't commit from the structure, but this still holds. This is still a very good, very good structure. So I'm just looking at this exhaustive price action here, and now we're tagging into the hook point, and so that gives me just extra confluence to take this position. I'll be taking this in a very big way this week, hopefully today or tomorrow. Let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, exactly. So if we get something tomorrow here, it will be a nice little evening star formation. That would be beautiful. Then we take a position. That would be amazing. But if it's today, it's also good because it's a retrace. Get a nice little retrace, and then we see where price takes us. So beautiful price action there. And then EuroCAD. EuroCAD, initially I was looking at it this way. But to cut a long story short, anyway, I flipped it. We've got a nice little, almost like a head and shoulders formation there, where price created a large continuation, and then now we're getting a little bit of a smaller continuation with a 1, 2, 3 on the daily. Nice scoops there, another scoop there at the bottom, and if we drop down after this hanging man, this would just be beautiful on the daily as well. So I'll be waiting for this with teeth sticking out. Definitely looking for something here today. And if we take a look at the lower time frame here, what we can see, which is really beautiful, is price is giving us a little 3-touch scoop. Okay, so we had that first little touch there. Now it's a mini little 1, 2, 3. So for me, I won't be taking an entry here. I just want to get a little bit of confirmation with the price dropping beneath that little low. It doesn't have to even be exactly beneath it, because we've got everything else. What more do we need? I like the fact that, yes, it's not support and resistance that I trade, but also like the fact that there is this sort of like area here as well. You see where we are scooping from to push down. So I really like that, and I will be looking to enter here with mind, body, and soul. Nonetheless, I hope you have a wonderful trading week ahead, and definitely looking forward to seeing you again next week. Goodbye.